Hey everyone, it's me Geoffrey and welcome back to my tech reviews.
Today I will show you a combination between two of the latest products from Huawei, the famous Mate 40 Pro and the most elegant smartwatch, the GT2 Pro. Together, we will give you an experience like you never had before. The Mate 40 Pro will help you be a step ahead on your daily task. It is equipped with the latest world's first 5G 5nm SoC chipset, the Kirin 9000, which ensures you get the best performance for your multitasking with the best 5G performance that is a step ahead of other devices in the market, all that with very low power consumption. The Ultra Vision Cine camera provides you with the best vlogging experience thanks to the historic creator that can turn any video into a professional video. If you are looking for something more that can make your life much more convenient, here I introduce to you the Watch GT2 Pro. The Watch GT2 Pro comes with a super elegant multi-face design that suits your style. Once you connect your Watch GT2 Pro to your phone through the Huawei Health app, you can see all the workout records, heart rate monitor data, and much more. It can also help you understand your sleeping pattern through the Huawei True Sleep. And if you are on the go, you can have your favorite playlist downloaded on your Watch GT2 Pro and even answer calls directly. So don't miss the chance and come to Jumbo store to experience the amazing Mate 40 Pro and Watch GT2 Pro the Moon Phase collection. Thanks for watching. Peace out.